Hello YouTube, back at it again. I want to show you a little tutorial. I'm gonna take you at it. This is it. This is how you do it. There's a little screw on the bin side. You can turn it loose, clean it, WD-40 it, and then you're gonna take it naar voren aan de zijkant. There's a little pin in there. Even zien, somewhere there. And you can take it out. Look how dirty it is. Now we're gonna clean it. Ay. Dirty. Easy access, cleaning. This one goes to the LPG verdamper. I don't know why they got it from there, but... Ooh, look at that, roost. Need some cleaning. Well, I'm gonna do my best. Take you back. Hello guys, and what I was looking for was this. It was really loose. The other side is still good. I'm gonna take you under it and take a little wiggling. I see it's not even connected. I'm gonna take a look myself. Well guys, there was not even a motor in there, so I'm gonna take a look on the other side, okay? Okay guys, under the hood. There's a windshield motor attached on the other side, on the underside of the lamp. And the other side is missing. Okay, and we got a rust hole there. And one hell of a screw. Jesus. We got some leakage over here, there. Well, not that bad, but still leaking. Maybe it's the aircon. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. The things you gotta do.